we will be working on back odios. I'll do them with my partner first. So we start on 2, close to be together, pivot the partner, then we step to the side, 1 side, 2 side, 3, 4. Here leaders we change weight, and we get out on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the step for the leader, we get out on 2. As we close, we pivot our partner, and then we go 1 time, we pivot our partner, 2nd time, and we could do the other part as many times as the leader would like. Finally, after a given moment, he's going to switch weight and then get out with his right, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. For the follow, she's guided on 2 to the side. The leader pivots her shoulder as she's closing. Then she steps back for a back odio. He pivots her. She steps back. And we do that several times. Step back, pivot, step back, pivot. And finally, we go back to our basic. 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8.